Welcome back everyone to your stimulus update for today. Now, so many people have been consistently commenting on my videos asking me, Logan, can you cover the Social Security boost or the Social Security increase that they've been hearing about for the year of 2021? And in this video, this is exactly what I'll set out to do. We'll be talking about how much more money you can expect in your Social Security checks, how much of an increase you could expect, and is this hike sufficient, and what can we expect down the road? We'll be covering it all in today's video. So let's get started and dive right into the news. But before we do, as always, make sure that you do a few things for me. Number one, smash the like button. I would greatly appreciate that. That will just help with the YouTube algorithm. It does support me and my channel, and it's free to do so. And if you have not already, do consider becoming a subscriber today. Click that big red button as well as the notification bell as well. That will notify you when I do post a brand new video. We post videos now every single solitary week with no exceptions and no excuses. And we'll be doing our next cash giveaway when we do hit 20,000 subscribers. We just recently hit 15,000, and so you'll have to be subscribed to be entered when we do finally reach 20K and do that giveaway. You might as well get out of the way now and just subscribe. So yes, I know a good portion of you guys that watch my videos and consume my content are on federal benefits such as Social Security or SSI, Supplemental Security Income, or other types of federal benefits, and that's totally cool. That's totally okay. And if you have not heard already, there was an increase to your benefits this year, and because of COLA. And now if you don't know, COLA is a cost of living adjustment, and that essentially makes sure that Social Security keeps up with inflation as costs and the cost of living do rise. COLA, spelled just like Coca-Cola, C-O-L-A, it's essentially a mechanism to counteract the effects of inflation. And according to Investopedia, cost of living adjustments are typically equal to the percentage increase in the consumer price index for urban wage earners and clerical workers for a specific period. Some quick history for you guys. Automatic yearly COLAs started as early as 1975, and the COLA for the year of 2021 was 1.6%. So a 1.6% increase to your benefits. Because inflation was high in the 1970s, compensation-related contracts, real estate contracts, and government benefits use COLAs to protect against inflation. Most U.S. retirees relished the idea this year that their Social Security benefits would get a substantial increase, but their bubble was quickly bursted because their increase did not really keep up with the cost of living. This year's benefit hike was just 1.3%, smaller than the year of 2020, yet many of the costs that seniors face are rising much more quickly. According to reports, the 1.3% increase bumped the average monthly benefit for all retired workers just $20 from $1,523 in 2020 to $1,543 in 2021. That equates to just about an extra $240 per year. Yet, according to the same reports that cited the same surveys, meanwhile, 65% of survey respondents report their monthly household expenses in 2020 rose by more than $80, including 40% who reported their expenses are up by $120 per month or more. So what's going on? Shouldn't the Social Security's COLA reflect the rate of inflation? The problem is that COLA is linked to a broad consumer price index and not to the rising costs that retirees face. President Biden has proposed making the COLA more reflective of senior living expenses, but that would take some political persuasion. So expenses are clearly going up. Let me know down below in the comments what higher costs you are facing if you are on federal benefits. If you take a look just from the year of March 2020 to March of 2021, the fastest rising cost was car and truck rentals, which went up by 31.2%, clearly not reflective of COLA. And that was followed by laundry equipment, which climbed 24.2%, gasoline 22.2%, and home heating oil 20.2%. Again, nowhere near what COLA increased. Some prices such as prescription drug and medical costs stayed constant, although physician services climbed by 5.3%. Now it's worth noting that this isn't just a senior citizen problem. This goes for all consumers. All consumers have faced rising costs and inflated prices. This is naturally going to happen, especially with the pandemic. There's massive fear that we could see a great deal of inflation ahead of us. Another example, again, this affects all consumers, my age and to senior citizens, was that the cost of building a home went up dramatically because of the increase in lumber prices. In fact, building a new home now can cost you an extra $36,000 with the hike of lumber prices this year. We've been talking about this for a long time now. I spoke about this over a year ago on this channel, that Social Security could be depleted in decades from now, and you should not depend on the government to retire. That's why you should start investing early if you can. Do save your money, do cut expenses, and be very smart with your budget. But certainly we can afford to pay senior citizens more. They have been paying taxes for decades, and they have been doing a great service to our country, and they deserve to get more, and they should get more. If you are on Social Security or SSI or any other federal benefits, I am curious what you saw as far as an increase to your federal benefits from the year 2020 to the year 2021. How much do you get a month there? How much do you get a year? I'm curious down below in the comments. Feel free to share. More updates and developments are to come, especially with President Biden fighting to increase Social Security payments. We could see that later down the road, especially with his spending proposals in the trillions of dollars. So all updates can be found right here on this channel. This is your one-stop shop for everything in regards to stimulus news and politics happening in this country. If you did enjoy this video, as always, give it a big thumbs up, smash the like button. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you haven't already, become a subscriber today. Click that big red button and the notification bell as well. If you'd like to get some free stocks, all of me, all free, you can sign up with Robinhood and or Webull. You'll actually get some free stocks, some valued up to thousands of dollars in some cases. Let me know what stocks you do get. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, you can go ahead and follow me at Logan Cohn, at LOGANKOHN. That's my Instagram handle right there. And I look forward to connecting with you there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one.